Good afternoon. Today on the drawing board we're going to talk about interpreting plans and understanding every line on the plan means something. Let's begin by looking at our post 1A again. Today we see on post 1A some dotted lines crossing through the center of the post. We have to understand that a floor plan is a cross section of the building taken 3 feet above the floor. This is why we don't see any tie beams or any other timbers in this plan, because it's 3 feet above the floor. Now, in our key, we'll see that a cross in a timber means the timber is coming towards us. If the timber is going away from us, it will be an X. If the timber is going both away from us and towards us, then it'll be an X and a plus sign. Other notes in the key are hidden lines. Our key to our reference edge on a reference face is our triangle that's filled in, and an open triangle is on the adjacent face. When we look at a bent view similar to this drawing, we need to understand where are we standing to see this view. When we look at our floor plan, we will see a line with 2 arrows on each end of the line pointing in the direction of the view. This is known as a cross-section line or a section line. This is the view where we're standing to view bent 1. When I do a set of drawings, I do section views showing the location of the view of each drawing. You can understand where you're standing when you see this view. Now I've taken a few more minutes and I've added the rest of the views to the floor plan. Here we have bent 2 view, bent 3 view, bent 4 view, bent 5 view is from the outside looking in, and then we have diagonal views. We have the southwest over here, southeast, northeast, and northwest. A southeast view would be this position, so we can see all the timbers from this point of view. It's usually easy to understand why we need several views. Here is a little ticket booth drawing I did for a local group, and we can see in this bent, number 1, we have the doorway, and on the other end we have an overhang for the customers to stand under in the rain at the ticket windows. So here's a bent 1 view, and somebody will say, well, why do you need more views? Well, here's bent 2. Bent 2 is totally different than bent 1 because bent 1 has the doorway and the nailers for the siding. Bent 2 doesn't have any nailers. And then bent 3 has the ticket windows. So every frame is different, and it requires to have a different view for a set of plans. This is our bent 1 view, and the next thing we'll work on is understanding reference faces. That's it for today.